So, hi dear Scorpio, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 19th till the 25th of August, and it is valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the videos, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Scorpio, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the High Priestess. Okay, someone is thinking a lot about you, but they're listening to their intuition, and their intuition might be telling them to stay quiet or to wait, and watch. Let me clarify the High Priestess. For some weird reason, these days, whatever I'm thinking about or whatever I'm saying, it's happening. For some absolutely weird reason, I don't know what is happening. I'm doing Ho'oponopono a lot these days. While sleeping, it's playing in the background all the time, like 8 hours. So might be my spiritual awakening is happening. I really don't have any idea, but it's amazing. Anyways, so this person is feeling like there's no need to take any kind of action in this direction. There is an ending to some kind of passionate energy. They used to feel a lot of passion, a lot of fire in this connection, but now that is gone. This person is continuously in their head about things. This person is thinking very negatively about the situation, Scorpio, to be honest with you. This person is feeling no matter how hard they are trying to think positive about the situation, they can't think positive about it, or they feel like you feel extremely negative about them. You think extremely negative about them, and that is why they feel like they should just keep themselves silent and just let this phase pass, whatever is happening. I don't know. Let's just wait and watch. It's like this person is going through a lot of in an internal conflict right now. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Let's see what's happening. Chariot. So from your side, you feel like moving on from the situation or letting go of the situation because you got to know about each and everything, every white and gray, like white and black, or every pro and con, everything about it. You're very crystal clear about this particular person or situation, and you feel like you should just move ahead and you should move fastly. Okay, let me clarify the Chariot. I don't know in the opposite direction or I in the same direction, but let me clarify the Chariot. It's like you feel like giving some kind of pace or direction to the situation. Yeah. So basically it's leaning more towards moving on from the situation. You're manifesting this energy of coming out of this being upset about it all the time. You are manifesting this energy of being in your power, staying in your power, taking a decision of moving on from the situation and never looking back, because this situation is giving you disappointments over disappointments and you are not able to handle the situation anymore. You have seen it all with this person, with this situation, so you are feeling like letting it go is the only solution left, and you should definitely let this situation go and move on, because enough is enough, and you feel like moving towards something better or someone better that can give you the family kind of dynamic or the happily ever after kind of dynamic. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Four of Cups. Yeah, their intention is to come out of this disappointment too. Both of you are disappointed with each other a lot. So that this person also wants to come out of this disappointment. Still, they want to be with someone like you because they are not able to connect with anybody the way they were connected to you at some point of time. I do see this person more like having options or somebody giving them a cup of love, but they're not interested, still stuck on you. They have somebody, but they're still stuck on you. Yeah, telling you. This person doesn't want to be in any kind of new relationship. Might be, yeah, friend. They might be open to friendship. They might be open to just casual kind of dating or just casual flings kind of thing. but this person doesn't want to open up to soulmate kind of connections or relationships as of now. This person wants to take it really very very slow, and right now their guards are up for love and relationship. I don't see this person wanting to be with you very strongly, but they wanted to be with someone like you, because they're still stuck on you in some way, shape, or form. And they are in this energy of, okay, if not Scorpio, someone like Scorpio, because we, at some point of time, we had a very good connection, we had a very good relationship, we have a great history together. I want something like that. So they're not open to, even if this person is connected to somebody else, they're not happy there. They're still trying to find somebody like you, but still not wanting to be with you, to be very clear with you. Right now, they are not in this energy of being with you. In fact, they are in this energy of thinking or negative about the situation and about the relationship. And they think like, even if they are going to be with you, it's never going to work out. So it's better to stay away and keep their guards up. Hmm. Okay, let's see. What do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? Page of Wands. So from your side, I think you just want to keep things casual, not with this person only, with everybody around you. You just want to have fun. You just want to have friendship kind of deals. You are in this energy of fun and flirting, and not taking things, people or situations too much seriously right now. Okay, you are in this energy of, okay, let's be friends, let's have fun, let's explore things, or let's explore new things, let's explore new situations, but not be very serious about anything or anyone. Okay, let's explore life from a new angle. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Wands here. We have the Six of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles. Because of your past experiences, you are too scared to open up to new people, new situations in that way, in the way of a relationship, commitment, or marriage. So you are in this energy of, okay, I am open to new friendships, I am open to exploring new things, new people, new situations. In fact, I'm open to past people coming back to me, but as friends only. I don't want any kind of conflict or fuss or any kind of drama or any kind of uh, conflict in my life. Okay, so you just want to keep it casual, keep it friendly, at least for the timing, with the new people as well, and with the past energies as well, if they are ready to open up to you. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation, what's coming towards you till the 25th of August, Scorpio. Page of Cups. I do see some kind of message communication or some kind of apology coming towards you. Let me clarify the Page of Cups here. Might be some kind of peace offering. Let's clarify. Yeah, I get worried in between about the mic because it went off one day. Yeah, somebody's coming towards you with some kind of offer. Someone is coming towards you with some kind of a marriage proposal, or some kind of this energy of, hey, right now, might be right now the situation is on and off, in and out, might be right now the situation is not that much stable, but we can make this work out. So do you want to try? So somebody will ask you if you want to try to make this connection work out with someone in a committed way, in a better way, in a spiritual way. What the hell? So a player wants to be serious with you. It's like an on and off energy, in and out energy, wants to be serious with you, wants to test the waters with you, wants to see if this can become something serious. So somebody is coming towards you with a serious offer, someone who is not that much stable, or who is immature, who is a younger person, or who's on and off, in and out of your life. So out of the blue, they might propose you, and they might say to you that I want to try for marriage, or I want to try if this connection can become something serious in the coming future. So do you want to? Okay, that's something unusual, but this is definitely somebody who is on and off, in and out, very immature energy, player kind of energy. But they want to see if things can become better, if things can become serious between you and them. So a player is becoming serious about you out of the blue. For some of it could be totally new person, totally new energy, who is so much attracted to you, and they are going to be like, okay, I want to see where things can go between me and you, because I have never felt this kind of energy between me and so anybody else till this point of time. So can we try it? It could be totally new person, new energy entering in your life. Very high chances of that, because you're open to friendships, right? You're open to friendships, you're open to new connection, new situations. So it could be life. So you will start talking to somebody, they will start liking you, and in that liking they will be in this energy of getting attracted to you, and they might offer you this energy of, okay, let's start having more than a friendship kind of a deal, and let's see where things can go. Maybe we both are meant to be with each other. So it could be like that also. But right now it's a on and off, in and out, unstable, immature kind of energy. Very mature, very naive kind of energy that wants to try with you. Okay. That's cool. That's a sweet kind of like a butterflies in the stomach kind of a deal, that somebody's going to feel for you or you are going to feel for somebody, and then it's going to be like, okay, we can try to make this work out. Okay, let the past baggages go. Scorpio, if you want to try something new, if you want to go ahead in your life, if you want to start the new chapter of your life, you have to let go of the past baggages that you're still holding on to. Okay, I don't know, like from how long you're single or from how long you're carrying this past baggages with you. If you want to start a fresh life, you have to have fresh energies as well, because you can't start anything fresh with the same stale energies that you are still carrying around with, that's still hanging around you. So it's difficult, right? It's super difficult. So in order to have a brand new beginning in your life, you have to stabilize your own energies, you have to be grounded, you have to be mature, you have to be in this energy of, okay, now I'm ready for a new connection, new situation, then move forward. Okay, if you can't give somebody that what they want from you, even if it is just a friendship or more than a friendship kind of a dynamic, tell them very very clearly and honestly. Okay, otherwise they might call you, they might consider you as a player or a cheater or a liar or a manipulator or something like that afterwards. So it's better to be very very clear just from the start, that this is what I want, this is how it is going to be, and from my side this is the only thing I can provide, or this is this much only I can provide. So it's better to be clear and honest. It's better to be safe than sorry afterwards, right? So yeah. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.